Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about today's peaceful, indefinite strike at Karnataka State Law University, Hubli campus. Since morning till time, KSLU 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB students are protesting against Karnataka State Law University to cancel the offline mode method examinations. All students are requesting to conduct, whether it could be online method, whether it could be open book method, whether it could be assessment based method. Their request is KSLU students are not opposing to write their LLB examination. The mode of method should be not offline mode, that should be online mode, that should be like open book method, or that should be internal assessment based method. So why they are protesting against KSLU means the other university have been already got promoted. They have already started the academics for LLB, whether it could be LLB, whether it could be engineering, whether it could be MSc, whether it could be BSc, all kind of degrees in Karnataka itself. They have been already promoted internal mode method, internal assessment mode method, what we call, on the basis of internal assessment mode method and previous year semester examinations method 50 they have got already promoted. We can call it as Vishweshwaraya Technological University, Bangalore University, Mysore University. There are many kind of university already promoted. So here, due to pandemic situation, the students have not been attended the offline classes. They have not been attended the online classes due to technical problems. There are n number of problems was arised during the pandemic situation. So in those period, it was not able to complete the all syllabus what we call subject syllabus what we call. They have not completed it and they have not prepared well for the examinations. So that is the reason offline exams we are not able to write due to unpreparation of syllabus what we call legal subjects, whatever subjects we have not properly prepared well due to COVID, and offline classes also not been conducted by KSLU properly, and online classes also not been conducted by colleges. So in this scenario and in this situation where other universities have been already promoted, why we should write, that is the question here. So since morning till the time they have protested, there is no proper response and positive response from the university side. So might be that this strike will be going to continue tomorrow also. All students are fighting for justice. All students are not giving up. They are fighting for the justice. Tomorrow also may be continuing this strike. So there is no means proper answers, means there is no positive answers not got from the Karnataka State Law University. This is how still students are struggling. This is a very winter season. They don't have any proper shelters. They don't have food. They don't have, nothing is there. So still they are struggling and to get fight for the right, and even they are fight for justice, because all other university students have got promoted, where we are not got promoted on the basis of internal, whether it could be online mode, whether it could be internal based method or open book method. So that is the main thing here, and students have been told to university immediately that repeaters exam to be conducted as per the same table which they have announced already present, the same timetable that repeaters exam to be conducted. For even semester, they should not conduct offline mode. Immediately, they have to start the academics. Academic classes has to be started immediately. Till that time, will strike. Till academic start, our students will fight, and students will going to strike again and continuously. So they need justice from the KSL. So this is how today scenario of strike. Since morning, students are struggling without any food, without any water to drink. There are they are struggling like anything since morning till now. They are struggling. So their request is KSLU has to start immediately the classes for further semester. Means what you call second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. In 3 years LLB, second year and third year, and 5 years LLB, second year, third year, fourth year, and fifth year. Immediately they have to class the start the academic classes. This is our today's scenario of strike at Karnataka State Law University. Please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar Ketty so that you will notify very good videos regarding your LLB examinations and regarding your present trend updates and regarding your academics. Thank you.